Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English with Rimchim Kinsaria. Students, we are going to begin with Ted Hughes. Before starting with the poem of Ted Hughes, I'll give you the introduction of Hughes. In this class, I'll try to be bilingual. So let's get started. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मैं आपको ये बता देती हूँ स्टूडेंट्स कि जो टेड ह्यूज है उनका जो फुल नेम है वो है एडवर्ड जेम्स ह्यूज. यू कैन राइट इट डाउन. एडवर्ड जेम्स ह्यूज. ही वॉज बॉर्न इन 1930. He was born in 1930. He was an English poet, translator, and children's writer. Critics frequently rank him as one of the best poets of his generation and one of the 20th century's greatest writers. And he was appointed as Poet Laureate in 1984. He said, "My poems are not about violence but about vitality." अगर आप लोग ये जो लाइन है आप अपने आंसर्स में लिखते हो तो इससे बहुत अच्छा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. आप लोग लिखिए. ही सेड, माई पोम्स आर नॉट अबाउट वायलेंस बट वाइटैलिटी. दिस लाइन बिकेम वेरी फेमस. ही हैड अ वेरी पेसिमिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. समझ रहे हो आप? मतलब बहुत ज्यादा. इनकी आप पोम्स भी पढ़ेंगे तो आप देखेंगे कि मतलब he had a kind of pessimistic views. Okay, he married three times. Hughes was married to American poet Sylvia Plath until her death by suicide at the age of 30. सिल्विया प्लाथ स्टूडेंट्स, हम आपको अमेरिकन पोइट जो सिल्विया प्लाथ है उसका आपको जो नॉवल है आपको पढ़ना चाहिए, बेल जार. द नेम ऑफ द नॉवल इज बेल जार. ओके. Some admirers of Plath and critics blamed him for her death after the revelation of letters written by Plath. His last poetic work, Birthday Letters, 1998, explored their relationship. After high school, Hughes entered the Royal Air Force and served for 2 years as a ground wireless mechanic. He then moved to Cambridge to attend Pembroke College on an academic scholarship. While in college, he published a few poems, majored in anthropology and archaeology, and studied mythologies extensively. Further, he graduated from Cambridge. Then Plath जो है, ये जो हमने बात करी जिनके बारे में, अमेरिकन पोएट सिल्विया प्लैथ जो है, उन्होंने बहुत एनकरेज किया था ह्यूज को. ठीक है. प्लैथ एनकरेज ह्यूज टू सबमिट हिज फर्स्ट मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट, द हॉक इन द रेन. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द हॉक इन द रेन. ड्यू टू दिस कलेक्शन he was awarded Galbraith Prize. Galbraith. Galbraith Prize. Then he married Will, Wevill, who also committed suicide. देख रहे हैं आप? जो अब इनकी फर्स्ट वाइफ थी जो जिनका नाम था सिल्विया प्लाथ, शी बिलोंग फ्रॉम अमेरिका, एंड उन्होंने भी सुसाइड की थी. और जो है इनकी सेकंड वाइफ, उन्होंने भी सुसाइड की थी. ठीक है. फर्दर, द फॉलोइंग ईयर ह्यूज मैरिड कैरल ऑर्चार्ड. CAROL, कैरल, ORCHARD, ऑर्चार्ड, with whom he remained married until his death. And his books of poems include Flowers and Insects, Wolf Watching, Pike, Moortown, Eupacal, the birthday letters, etc. Gondit, G-A-N-D-E-T-E. Gondit is a narrative poem. Okay? Animals appear frequently throughout his work as deity, metaphor, persona, and icon. Perhaps the most famous of his subjects is crow, an amalgam of god, bird, and man, whose existence seems pivotal to the knowledge of good and evil. He was inspired by Shakespeare and W.B. Yeats. He had the pen name Daniel Herring and Peter Crow, ठीक है, with which he published many poems. Okay students, ये हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया है टेड ह्यूज का. In the next class we will begin with the poem Pike. Okay, till then take care and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.